Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to do pattern matching using SQL. Okay, so I have a small database here called PTC Fitness, and in there I have a customers table. I'm going to take a look at the first 10 customers. You see I have a bunch of customers who begin with A. I've got Addie, Enderia, Elohea, Aura, etc. Let's find all my customers who begin with A. Um, I'll list a few fields and then the where clause here. Now, if I just do I'll find Addie. But I want all the A's, and that's where the SQL pattern match operator comes into play. And the pattern match operator is like percent sign is the SQL wildcard, which matches 0 to infinite characters. So this will find anybody whose first name is A, like the old musician A. Martinez, all the way up to a 500 letter A first name. So I run this thing. Here's all my A's. I have 73 people whose first name begins with A. I can continue this idea. Let's find everybody whose last name begins with L, along with the first name of A. And I have 4 people in my database who have the initials of AL. You can put that asterisk in there anytime you want. Let's see if we have anybody whose first name contains a Z. This will find the letter Z in some first name, somewhere. And run this, we see I've got Zia, Zach, Zandra, Susie, Zola, Leslie, I like that spelling of Leslie, Kizzy, Moselle, Vincenz, etc. So there's a Z somewhere in there. This says start with anything, end with anything, find a Z. It's quite possible that somebody's last name was Z, like Vincenz, somebody's first name was Z, or there's a Z in the middle. If you're looking for the word Z, which won't work that well here, I'll space, and this will just find space Z space, which will be the word Z. Won't work here, but it might work if you're searching for the word of in your database, or hello. Next pattern matching trick, you can use some regular expressions. I want to find anything that begins with any of the vowels. And I'm going to use the regular expression range. Whatever I put in that list, A, E, I, O, U, like this, will match A, E, I, O, or U, followed by an asterisk, second quote. And looking at these guys, you see my output, A, E, I, O, U. I have 138 people in my database whose name begins with a vowel. Other forms of pattern matching exist with regular expressions, but that's a common one. You can have many of those. Let's say I want to find people whose names begin and end with a vowel. So I'll add this to the end as well. This says start with a vowel, end with a vowel. I go down to 83 rows. You can get crazy. I'm not going to do this. I'll let you guys figure this out. But you could, find first names that begin and end with the same character. Pattern matching is neat. If you pay for the IR version of SQL Server, you actually can get a sounds like that you can install, which does exactly that. Sounds like something. So I could say look for things that sounds like ME, and you would find EMMI and EMMY if she was in there. Pattern matching can be used in things other than just numbers. You can use them to search dates. You can use them to search words. They're a very powerful tool. All right, that's it for this discussion. Good luck.